Hello there once again, grade 3 students. Welcome to math class again. This is teacher Anna. This is the second part of the lesson, classify quadrilaterals or classify shapes. Okay, so we have still the same topic, topic 15, lesson 2, classify shapes on pages 817 to 800. Okay, so for today's lesson, we will need the following: your math book, your pencil, and your ruler for you to create or draw the shapes. Now we still have this. You say I can classify shapes according to their attributes. Okay, now we have the vocabulary words. Always remember, a quadrilateral, it's a polygon with 4 sides and 4 angles. So for this shape, you can see it has the sides, and the opening is the angle, and the point where the two sides meet is called the vertex. Okay, and we also have the two kinds of polygons. We have the convex polygons and the concave polygons. So convex polygons have all angles points outward, and the concave polygons have one or more angles points inward. So it's very easy for you to identify the difference. Okay, so we have here the guided practice on page 819. Please go to page 119 of your book. We have the do you understand. Number 1. Nellie drew a group of rectangles and a group of trapezoids. How are her groups different? Okay, how are the rectangles and the trapezoids different? Alright, we have rectangles have 4 right angles and trapezoids do not. Number 2, how are rectangles and trapezoids alike? How are they alike? They have 4 sides and 4 angles. Good. Number 3, what larger group of polygons do all of Nellie's shapes belong to? Okay, what group of polygons do the rectangles and the trapezoids belong to? They belong to quadrilaterals. Very good. Now we have the do you know how. Number 4, draw a shape that belongs to Ethan's group 1. Do you remember the shape of Ethan? Do you remember the groups? The rhombuses and the trapezoids? Okay, we have this shape. For number 5, draw a shape that belongs to Ethan's group 2. What is it? Okay, it's a trapezoid. Number 6, why is there a square in group 1? Why? Because all the sides are equal. So it's also a rhombus. Remember, a square can also be a rhombus. Okay, next we have number 7. Let's go to the independent practice. So number 7 to 11, use the groups below. We have group 1 and group 2. Number 7, how are the shapes in group 1 different from the shapes in group 2? What's your answer? Okay, in group 1, all the sides in each shape are the same length. In group 2, not all the sides are the same. Do you have the same answer as my answer? Good. Number 8, how are the two groups alike? How are group 1 and group 2 alike? All the shapes have 5 sides and 5 angles. Good. Number 9, what larger group do all the shapes belong to? Pentagons. Okay, why pentagons? Pentagons have 5 sides. Number 10, draw a shape that could go in group 2 but not group 1. Okay, so in group 2, the lengths or the sides don't have the same length and they have 5 sides. Okay, this is the shape. Next, in number 11, draw a shape that could go in group 1 but not group 2. Okay, in group 1, they all have the same length of sides. Okay, very good. Next, page 820. Numbers 12 to 14, use the picture at the right. Okay, how are the yellow shapes and the blue shapes different? How are they alike? The blue shapes have 2 equal sides. Do you agree? Okay. And the yellow shapes have all 3 equal sides. How are they alike? Both shapes have 3 sides and 3 angles. Now I will show you, okay, the 2 equal sides of the blue shapes. Okay, so this side, okay, so we have here this side and this side are equal sides. Okay, this is the third side of the blue shape. Okay, however, for the yellow shapes, this side, okay, this side, and this sides, they all have the same length. Okay, now number 13. Which larger group of polygons do the yellow and blue shapes belong to? They are triangles. Good. Number 14. Does the pink shape belong to the group identified in exercise number 13? Explain your answer. Look at the shape, the pink shape. Does it belong to triangles? No, the pink shape has 6 sides, so it is not triangle. Remember, a triangle has only 3 sides. Okay. Next, we have number 15. Draw a quadrilateral that is not a rectangle, a rhombus, or a square. What's your answer? It's a trapezoid. Okay, next, number 16. Todd bought a jacket for $57 and 2 maps for $9 each. What was the total cost? What's your answer? So you have a jacket for $57 and maps for $9 each. 2 maps. So 57 plus 18, it's $75. Very good. Number 17. Victoria wants to make 2 same-sized rhombuses. What tool can she use? Okay. She can use 8 toothpicks. The toothpicks are all the same length, so the rhombuses will be the same size. Okay, number 18. Jocelyn needs to find 3 times 3, 4 times 6, and 7 times 2. She draws area models to solve the problem. What polygon group do her area models all belong to? Okay, so the area models are all rectangles because they have 4 sides with 4 right angles. Very good. Okay, we have the last one, number 19. Draw lines to show which attributes apply to all the shapes in the group. So we have group 1 and group 2. Let's go to the first shape in group 1. Okay, what is this? Okay, so the first shape has 4 sides. Do you agree? Very good. Next, the second shape. No equal sides. The third shape in group 1. Okay, it has 4 angles. Very good. Next, in group 2, the first shape, it is convex. Okay, so the points are outward. Okay, next we have the second shape. It has 4 sides and it has 2 pairs parallel sides. The last shape, it has 4 angles. Okay, very good. Thank you so much, grade 3, for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot when it comes to classifying shapes. Okay, thank you once again and enjoy your day. Goodbye, grade 3.